I've been. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna tell you.
So we're back.
Something that makes me look at you too often.
Hey y'all. Happy 4th of July. It's currently 2:16 and it's the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Today I'm going to be vlogging with me and my friends. We're gonna be vlogging and it's gonna be like a real cool day. So right now we're gonna go set up this cooler because we're going to Stone Mountain. We're gonna go set up the cooler and yeah. So we're back. This is Kiki, JJ. You already know what it is.
Jamir.
Alright.
I'm the most famous.
What?
Say the most famous.
I'm the most famous.
You're the lead.
That boy look
Get
like
you
Drewski.
clout.
You give me clout?
You look like Drewski.
They call me DJ Khaled the second.
Call your ass baby Drewski.
Anyways, so we finna pack this cooler. Get my cooler.
What's that?
It's that blue cooler right there. Y'all finna try my cooler. So we finna pack and we packing Lunchables, some snacks and some juices.
Looks like a park.
Huh?
Looks like a park.
It is a park.
Okay.
Let me show y'all my cooler. Excuse me, Kiki. So this is our cooler.
Of course you get one that got a roll.
This is our cooler, so we're gonna pack our cooler right now. We don't got no ice.
You don't need ice. It's already cold. Me. You could go buy ice. QT.
I already know the QT.
Yeah. QT.
How much is it?
I'll just get it.
Oh, go get it.
How am I supposed to get it up?
Oh, we're gonna go to QT. So we'll be back. So we packed the cooler, y'all. Oh, damn! No! Ooh.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna just be behind. Oh, shit.
We taking the. Oh, come on. We gotta lift the cooler up.
1, 2, 3, go. Lift it.
Alright, anyways, we rolling the. Oh, yeah, we rolling the cooler to the
Damn, they got there before us. Go.
We rolling the cooler to the car.
They keep telling us not to put it in. Wait. What the? Damn.
It's got it. I got it.
Okay.
So we rolling the cooler to the car.
Hey,
And it's the car, y'all. Y'all can see. Cause he gotta make this fit in his car.
I'm trying to fuck your back. Get here from the cousin. It's gonna melt and you're gonna be mad.
Okay, let me see what you can do.
It's gonna melt and you're gonna be
Y'all don't think we finna leave in like 20 minutes though.
She gonna take
Man,
longer
she is
than
not
that.
finna
I'm
get
not
20
gonna
minutes.
take that. I'm not gonna take that
I don't think that bitch gonna close.
She 10 minutes away.
She will. If it's not the height of that.
It fits.
No.
Y'all beef was just on me.
It don't fit.
Darnell can't fit in my car. You know my car little.
Bro, yes you can. You ain't got nothing in there.
My trunk.
Yeah.
No, it can't. My trunk not even this high.
I mean, we could lay it down.
You know that
right
car
there.
little.
Lay it down.
Anyways, y'all finna see how we leave.
We gotta go. We about to go. We about to go. We about to go.
You ain't never seen me wear but that one time.
Don't let her know. Don't let her know.
Right now we're in a car. We're on the way to Stone Mountain. Them the only 3 people. Oh, what's in there?
There was a bug on me.
Oh, no, scratch my case. These are the only 3 people that wanted to ride with me.
He did not want to ride with you. He just got in here.
Yeah, this the only person that wanted to ride with me, y'all. It's all good. Basically, we're on the way. And we finna leave and I'm finna see how we get Stone Mountain. Don't knock my cakes.
Hold this. I'm not holding.
But yeah, y'all. See y'all in a minute. We hot and we made it after like I don't know, y'all. We was struggling. He didn't know where he was going.
Fat.
You ain't know where you was going.
As soon as I got here, I parked, didn't I? Yeah, you didn't know you was home.
Nah, I was so mad. Y'all had me driving all over. But anyways,
Parked on the other side of the lake.
y'all, her birthday tomorrow. Oh.
I'm just playing now.
Oh, okay.
That's not YouTube appropriate. This the right way. Stop.
Yeah.
This the right way.
And then Jameer got the cooler. So yeah, y'all, we can have a picnic with those our towels. We got some cupcakes. Don't be looking like that.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, Jameer.
Damn.
Come on, Jameer.
Jameer, I hold the bag. You put the cupcakes in the top. Inside the cooler, bruh. But they melting, bruh.
Oh, they are melting.
Look at that right there,
Our
bruh.
cupcakes are melting.
I'm telling you, put them inside the cooler. There's no space in there.
We should have
Oh,
just
y'all
let
finna- y'all
them. We
finna
should
eat
have
a
just
hot
did it when we
cupcake.
got home.
I'm telling you.
Our cupcakes
I just
melting.
wanted to bring everything.
Exactly.
Yeah, alright, don't do too much. I sure did want to bring everything.
Everything. We might as well stop at a green place and then.
Y'all, the cupcake melting. Dang, Logan, your cup. Oh, them, Jameer, them your birthday cupcakes I got for you.
Yeah, her cake probably melting. I mean, if we walk.
We can put it in the cooler once we open the
Oh
cooler.
God, can we walk faster? The frost all the way from me at the bottom.
It's because Desmiray trying to get a good angle.
Alright. Alright,
Stop
cause
recording.
what's up?
We'll see y'all when we
Stop
get
recording and
there.
hold these cupcakes.
Alright, I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Hi y'all. So we made it to Stone Mountain after all the complaining that everybody was doing. But we made it. I kept hearing, oh, my lens. Oh, anyways. Y'all, I'm sweating. That was a fun walk. But I just kept hearing too much complaining. Like, everyone's complaining how they hot, they don't want to walk.
You wasn't complaining the most.
Why y'all looking back? Complaining. But we made it. I'm gonna show y'all our setup when we get back. I carried the napkins, I think. But yeah, I swear, everybody booty hole sweating everything.
What?
Your booty not sweating?
Hell no.
You lying. You lying.
My balls sweat.
Oh. But anyways, we gonna go ride the little ride to the top of the mountain. Y'all see Stone Mountain right there? So we're gonna go ride the little, I'm tired. I'm fat, I'm out of breath. But yeah, we finna go ride the little thing to the top of the mountain.
How you the most time you did cross country?
What'd you say?
How you the most time you did cross country?
I still get out of breath. But yeah, y'all, we finna go do that. So right now we in the bear show and we finna watch this show. Yeah, it's finna be this bear show. Ain't that right, Pookie? And y'all wear these little glasses and it's supposed to like rain mist water on y'all, on us. But I don't know. Oh, they closing the doors. But yeah, we in the bear show.
Hey,
Hey,
this is a Joshua show.
it's a what show?
A Joshua show.
A Joshua show? Oh, dinosaur show. Okay. Never mind, it's a dinosaur show.
Where did you get bear from?
I thought it was a bear show.
No, where'd you get that from?
Oh, movie started.
Jellystone Park. For years, families have headed out from the busy city, eager to enjoy a little camping, fishing, and of course,
I'm gonna see y'all after the show.
natural wildlife.
So we just left the show, y'all, and it's pouring down raining.
Everybody do a dog show.
twice,
You need to start recording during the show, showing them like previews.
I
But it's gonna
did.
look trash.
Exactly, because it's 3D.
It's a dog show.
Look, don't get that.
Hold on, y'all, it's actually a dog show. Y'all, it's actually a dog show. Something like that.
Huh?
It's actually, they're gonna have dogs, actually.
I hope they bring me on the stage.
some backflips and shit.
I hope they finna me jump through hoops.
The electric.
get Baby to do that.
I'm saying put a dog chair in the ass, she gonna jump through.
But yeah, we finna go watch the dog show, y'all, because it's raining. This is our third time going up in there, y'all. They better have them fireworks, and I'm not playing. But anyways, y'all, look at him. Look. Like a nerd. Oh, now you wanna. Oh, now you want to take them off. Now you want to take them off.
Yeah. Oh shit, my hair fucked up.
Wait, let's see.
Oh, it's not too bad.
You hold it. Hold it. Okay, now put it up. Ooh, hey vlog. Wait, is it really raining? It's not really raining.
It's not raining that much no more. Oh yeah, because it's not that many people in here. Y'all trying to go back to the field?
Yeah, it's not really raining no more.
Where is Jameer? Jameer's trying to go to the dog show.
But yeah, this is my boyfriend. When he wanna be, when he act right.
I'm fucking playing with me.
Yeah, let's go to the dog show. Ooh, we out here.
Oh God.
Hold it. You gotta like
It's
hold
getting
up.
wet a little bit.
You gotta get both.
But I'm getting it.
Y'all, let me show y'all my outfit. Yeah.
My shit better than
It's really not. It's really not. It's really, it's basic.
Don't matter.
Okay, you got my camera going everywhere.
Bro.
Get right.
We good, bro. I'm a real deal vlogger, bro.
Y'all wanna see the dog show?
Oh, this shit closed right now, I think. Look at this fucking mountain, bro. This shit hard.
What we finna do? A dog show. Y'all wanna see dog show?
A dog show, bro. I am not trying to see these niggas jumping through hula hoops and shit. They need to be doing like backflips off like.
This light is so cute. Y'all, let me show you the rain though. It's raining.
I think we straight.
You wanna get some food?
Yes. I'm hungry as shit. But I don't know about from here. They probably taxing like Six Flags.
Be quiet.
Look at that shit.
But pizza
$15 for that fucking cup.
I'm hungry. I need some food. Food.
I knew I should have worn my slides, bro.
We're gonna be back. Go get wet, period. Woo! Oh no. Oh, danger mirror. You missed it.
That was chocolate.
Oh no.
You make a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Have you in it?
Yeah.
I have
She's cute. Anyways, y'all, it's done right now. We gonna go ride the train. Yeah.
I got one side wet. Oh, you actually went in it?
Yes.
You gotta stand on your shirt.
I don't care.
Yo, guys.
What?
Oh my God.
Jameer blind.
Yes, that boy.
It got me.
Where the market train at? Look at him, y'all. He got look at him from the water. Trying to do
You
too
know you can't see
much.
that camera. I'm glad that boy got his shirt on though.
Why you glad?
That shit will go be showing.
Where's the marketplace at?
Oh!
Wait, but stop recording. I'm not supposed to be owning it to me.
My eye. It's salt water.
It what?
Oh, it's salt water. Oh. He gonna have to salt water somewhere else.
That's just salt water. Why ain't you getting the little thing?
But we're finna go on the train, y'all.
That's supposed to be your brother.
It's fun. It will be fun, they say.
Yeah. Alright now. We're going on the train. Alright, so this is a train. Y'all see it? Damn, oh dang. Everybody on this train, hold on, the camera blurry. Zoom in through the sky, little Einstein.
But look at your fingers.
Y'all. Happy 4th of July. Like, what?
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. You
Bro,
missed
look at your fingers, bro.
I know my fingers already. I was eating chips. I'm sorry.
Happy 6th of July. Wait, okay, so it's my birthday, right? Everybody booed up. Them two. No, he not. Them two. Who the fuck knows?
He got a girlfriend, don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry. He got a girlfriend. Oh, you not locked in?
It's my birthday. It's her birthday tomorrow. Cut that out. Cut that out.
What?
It's her birthday tomorrow. What about Manny? Cut that shit.
Y'all, we had a fireworks show and it's finna start. It's kind of raining. I thought it's gonna get pushed back.
Shit, rain don't stop the fireworks.
You don't?
Not this type of rain.
Oh, we got a pour.
Hey, if it start pouring, this shit gonna be a fucking, I ain't gonna lie.
It's gonna be a disaster.
Oh God, my shoes gonna get fucked up.
But yeah, the show finna start within like 20 minutes. What they say? I can't buy myself flowers. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show you the fireworks show. Hey y'all, so show is over. We're walking back to the car right now and we're gonna be there in 5 minutes, but it was a mile walk.
That did not feel like a mile.
It was a mile.
It is mile.
But yeah, we're walking. It's hot, I look sweaty, but it's not sweat, it's hair oil and rain.
Definitely sweat.
Alright. We ain't had to say that. You ain't had to do me like that. It's not focusing. Oh, there we go.
Jamil, you need to chop with this cooler while walking in front of me.
Huh?
You posting this?
Yeah.
You should put.
Okay, y'all, they mad because they don't want nobody to see them. But it's getting posted.
Thank you. Give me some.
So, you SOL, Jaden. Shouldn't have been all up in the vlog.
Yeah, I said put double date.
Hold on, why is it not? Oh, there you go.
Oh,
right.
I told him that I was gonna tell you to put double date with boyfriend and friends.
Yeah.
Brothers.
Yes, 4th of July.
Nigga said.
Yo, 4th of July date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bruh, y'all.
Fireworks show.
This is a far walk. I'm not even gonna hold y'all.
Shit, that was
What time is it?
in the damn parking lot.
3 more minutes.
Okay.
But we almost there. We need to cross the street.
My dad on the way. Told my mom.
But they running, bro. Oh.
Look at that nigga auto across the street.
Oh, is that a gun? Oh.
Where?
Why would you say that?
Why would you say that?
Bro, they look like a gun. They like a strap on the back.
That nigga was running funny as hell.
Okay, but we finna cross the street and it's hot. And I'm finna go home. We finna go home and we got like some more fireworks at the house. Because my uncle, he's waiting on us. Because he wants to light fireworks at the house. So we're gonna do the fireworks at the house. And yeah. We're lighting fireworks right now at the house. Hey y'all, and it's the next day after all that chaotic. It was a very chaotic day yesterday. 4th of July was very chaotic. And I just came back to the house, we chill, and that was basically about it. But I just want to tell you guys, thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July. I hope y'all had a good 4th of July because I know I had a good 4th of July. It was good. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye bye, y'all.